Inspired by the serene beauty of birch trees under moonlight, Grand Seiko introduces the new Moonlit Birch SLGW007, an elegant addition to the Evolution 9 collection. Following the birch bark models of 2024, this timepiece refines the formula with a slimmer profile, a stainless steel case, and a deep navy dial that captures the quiet magic of Iwate's birch forests at night. At 38.6 millimeters wide and under 10 millimeters thick, the SLGW007 is one of the thinnest Grand Seiko designs, yet it still carries the sharp Evolution 9 facets and Zaratsu polish brilliance the brand is known for. The dial, with its intricate birch bark texture, now dressed in a moonlit navy tone, feels alive with detail. Silver hands and markers add refinement while staying true to Grand Seiko's signature legibility. Inside beats the hand-wound Caliber 9 SA4, Grand Seiko's first manual high-beat movement in half a century. Running at 36,000 vibrations per hour, it delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and showcases stunning craftsmanship, from the wagtail-shaped barrel click to the finely striped bridges. The SLGW007 also introduces a textured navy cowhide strap, a more casual and versatile choice than the traditional crocodile leather, making it easier to wear in daily life. Priced at €10,200, the Grand Seiko Moonlit Birch SLGW007 will be available from October 2025 as part of the permanent collection. A modern dress watch that embodies both tradition and quiet innovation. If you enjoyed this look at the Moonlit Birch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth watch reviews and releases. Thanks for watching.